Jungle animals. Animals that live in jungle are called wild animals. Animals like lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, bear, owl, and hyena live in the jungle. We do not keep wild animals as pets. Elephants, tigers, lions, etc. are tamed to work in circus. Size of animals. Animals living in jungle range from very small to very big. Hare, porcupine, mongoose are very small animals. Rabbit, wildcat are small animals. Lion, tiger, bear are big animals. Elephant, giraffe, and hippopotamus are very big animals. Homes of wild animals. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Some live on land, some on trees, and some in water. Lion lives in a den. Birds build nests. Rabbit, rats, and snakes live in holes in the ground. Some wild animals like zebras and deer move about in the jungle. They do not make homes. They simply live under the shade of trees. Herbivorous animals. Animals that eat plants or plant products are known as herbivores or herbivorous animals. Deer, zebras, giraffe, elephants, etc. are some herbivorous animals. carnivorous animals. Animals that kill other animals and eat their flesh are known as carnivores or carnivorous animals. Lion, tiger, wolf, crocodile, etc. are some carnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are known as omnivores or omnivorous animals. Bear, jackal, crow, rat, etc. are some omnivorous animals. Scavengers. Some animals eat flesh of dead animals or leftovers. Such animals are called scavengers. Jackals, vultures, etc. are some of the scavengers.